key with this question is to make both fractions have the same denominator, 6. And then we'll be able to add the numerators together. So we have to multiply the top and bottom by 2 for the first fraction to get a denominator of 6. And the second fraction we need to multiply the top and bottom by 3. This gives us the same denominator, and we can now add those two things on the top. And we'll write that out without expanding anything first, just to see what it should look like. Now, if you lose the denominator, the idea of it as a fraction, you will lose a mark. This isn't equation solving, it's changing something into a fraction. If we expand our brackets, and gather our terms in the numerator, we should end up with 7x minus 1 over 6.